Now, if you're a lover of cereals and maize products, then this is for you. Listen up. The presence of aflatoxin, a natural toxin produced from molds, has been detected in Tom Brown, Hausa Koko, and even in Kenkey. Long-term exposure to these toxins can cause liver cancer and stunted growth in children. Ghana is taking steps to tackle the menace and is partnering Mexico to introduce a new processing method for maize products called nixtamalization. Yeah. The technique, which currently is being tested in the northern region, is to help reduce aflatoxin staples. Arba Inkum joins us. She's the deputy head of Mycotoxins Lab at the Ghana Standards Authority. Arba, it's good to have you here. My God, lots of big words there. Help us understand. What exactly is this? How was it discovered?
So mycotoxins are actually a bigger group of toxins. And what they do is actually in molds, toxins are formed, and so these toxins are very carcinogenic, and especially with aflatoxins, which is also part of mycotoxins. It's very carcinogenic, and then it's known to be found in a wide range of products like maize and cereals, nuts, legumes. You can even find them in animals, the meat of animals. You can find them in eggs and milk. And so Ghana Standards Authority, in collaboration with AGRA, is also doing a project on national sensitization on aflatoxins.
Right.
And so we're also partnering with the Mexican government with the nixtamalization process. And so all will be to reduce the levels of aflatoxins we have.
We'll learn a bit about the nixtamalization process in a moment. But first, I mean, how do I know whether there are aflatoxins in my maize or my eggs or my milk or whatever? How do I detect these aflatoxins?
Unfortunately, aflatoxins cannot be seen with the naked eye. And so you can say when you see molds on food, it can be an indicator. But then if the aflatoxin producing mold is not in there, you will not get aflatoxin producing.
So how do I stay safe? How do I protect myself?
And so the only way to know is to test.
Wow.
Yes.
So we have to test our kenkey before we eat it?
Not in that context, but then if together, let's say with Ghana Standards Authority and other players are able to regulate, you know, the foods we eat, we make sure that they are tested, the raw materials are tested before we eat them. We make sure that the good agricultural practices are practiced so that we don't have these aflatoxins forming in our foods. Yes.
This is a conversation that we really need more time for. We need to learn what nixtamalization is, and we need to figure out what to do in the meantime between now and when that regulation is in place. But until we're able to have that conversation, Arba Inkum, thank you very much for your time with us. I'm told that it's time for us to bring you sports on the Pulse. So the team comes up right after this. Stay with us.